It's in court already.
Yeah. Another thing po na she said, it's the battered wife syndrome na inulit-ulit niya. Ano po ba yung stand niyo with that? Because she said she was really diagnosed with battered wife.
First question there is who diagnosed? Who made the finding that she has a battered wife syndrome? Second, is it an independent physician, psychologist, psychiatrist, doctor, or any medical officer na hindi, na public, should be public? And was that finding submitted to the court independently and officially?
Would you ask the court for an independent diagnosis again?
Lest I be accused of violating the gag order, it's there.
So, hindi po niya present yung what she's claiming, it has not been
Ano
presented.
na yan? I cannot talk about that.
Okay. So, who diagnosed naman?
Who diagnosed?
Who diagnosed? Okay.
May question. Parang may sinabi rin po si Claudine, kasi parang nalilink daw si Claudine with a certain guy, but then parang binalik niya
Stylist.
na parang ang dating ng interview, si Raymart ang merong ibang babae. Or ano.
Does he have relations with other women now? Is he will it ruin the case pag nakipagrelasyon siya sa iba?
After all that's been happening to Raymart, I think he's entitled to his happiness, his personal happiness. But at the moment, his focus is on getting the kids, experiencing them again, being with them again, having them again in his house. Siguro he goes out to entertain himself and have fun with friends or family. Okay lang naman yun. Nothing wrong, but no personal attachments whatsoever because his attention will be diverted. Ayaw niya yun.
Yeah.
So, it's not true po nung panahon na sila pa yun eh. Parang may relationship pa rin ni Claudine na meron na siyang iba.
Yun yung
Kasi yung kwento pinapalabas ko din eh. Parang nagsasama pa sila bilang mag-asawa. Si Raymart ang may ibang babae.
That's not true. No, that's not true. That's not true.
Diversionary tactic kaya ito, attorney?
Marriage nila.
Tanong mo na lang ulit.
Would you say that this is a diversionary tactic?
This interview, hindi ba kayo, the interview, yung interview ni Claudine, yung ginawa niyang pagpapa-interview.
But you notice it was a lot about the family.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Did she violate? You didn't watch it, attorney.
I did.
Did she violate the gag order po by?
Hindi naman. There was very little about the case.
So,
Attorney, pasensya na din.